Ladakh, known for its breathtaking beauty and deep spiritual presence. The roads, the people, everything about this place feels like a heaven on earth. And last year, we finally lived that dream. A journey we completed with the pure joy and happiness. But before I begin, I want to share how it all started. Because this wasn't just an ordinary trip. It began as a dream of a few little kids who didn't know much about the world outside the monastery, who didn't know how to ride a bike, how to travel far, or even what adventure truly meant. But there was one thing we always talked about. One day we will go to Ladakh on a bike. One day we will experience everything. Back then it felt like just a childish dream, something distant, almost impossible. We never imagined that one day that small dream would turn into reality. And that day finally came. Every year, our summer vacation begins in the month of May, the perfect time to travel. So we made a plan to meet in Bhunter, Dolma Lhakhang, a small beautiful temple we can truly call our second home. Once we all gathered there, we started planning for the trip. First, we collected the contribution from everyone for the expenses. Then we choose one person from the group to take full responsibility, an in charge who manages all the cost and keeps everything organized. After all the preparations were done, we set up for our first destination, Manali. We had already decided to pick up all the necessary supplies from Manali. As you can see in the video, we split into two groups. One went to get the camping gear and the other handled the groceries. Manali में हम लोग यहाँ पर मैट्रेस ढूंढ रहे हैं टेंट में बिछाने के लिए. After that, we wrapped up our first day with a nice coffee break at Dana Cafe in Manali. Waiter, come. दो जूस. कोई बात नहीं, enjoy. चलेगा. वो हम राग में अंडे के ट्रे खाएंगे. अंडे के ट्रे खाएंगे? तू ट्रे खा, हम अंडा खाएंगे. तो गाइस, हमारी शॉपिंग हो गई है ख़त्म. आप देख सकते हैं हमने ली है मैट्रेस, कुछ अंडे का ट्रे, आटा, चावल. फिर इस बॉक्स में और भी सामान है. अभी होटल वापस जा रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ बैठेंगे तो पैसा खर्च हो जा रहा है. चौंक टमाटर रास्ते में खरीद सकते हैं. तो ये था आज का दिन. The next morning, we loaded all the essential supplies into the vehicle. Bags, tents, utensils, the gas stove, basically everything we needed for the cooking and for the trip. आज हम जाएंगे जिस्पा तक. जिस्पा पे स्टे करेंगे. उसके बाद कल निकलेंगे ज़ांस्कर के लिए. इसी के साथ अलविदा. Before I move forward, I would like to introduce the travelers, so you can get familiar with the character of this journey. Doje Chuja, rich in ancient knowledge. He had already traveled to Ladakh before any of us did, and his way of handling things is always sharp and precise. Tashi Wangchu, our in charge, always thinking ahead, always a little worried about what's next. A true leader with enthusiasm. Sonam Kingoba, Tashi's brother. Not a monk, but someone you instantly feel comfortable with. Because of him, we could enjoy bike rides without worrying about bags, tents, or anything else. Ngawang Kunga, the calmest among us. He sees things with maturity and keeps everyone at ease. Then comes the Gen Z crew. Tenzin Donden, rich in contacts. Thanks to him, we saved a lot of money. He managed our stay in Ladakh. Jamso Takwa, the joke cracker, a fast talker. Because of him, the entire trip was filled with laughter. Lobsang Phunso, a videography enthusiast. Half of the beautiful Ladakh footage you're about to see was captured by him. And me, always running late, getting distracted while recording everything. Overall, we understand each other really well, which made the whole journey feels easy and natural. After loading everything into the vehicle, we set off for our second destination, Jispa. Along the way, we passed through some incredible, beautiful places. Solon Valley, Atal Tunnel and Sisu, where the district changes to Lahaul Spiti, known for its clean environment and raw beauty. It's a deeply spiritual place. In fact, Lahaul is originally called Lahaul, which means the land of gods. You can feel the energy the moment you enter. Some of our group members are from here, and this is also the place where I was born. We stopped at the last petrol pump at Tandipur to refuel our cans, which was our backup, something very important for this journey, as the stretch ahead was around 160 to 200 kilometers.
तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पर तांदीपुर में रुके हैं पेट्रोल भर रहे हैं इस कैनी में, क्योंकि आगे के रास्ते में हमको पेट्रोल पंप नहीं मिलेगा। तो सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन के लिए हमने भर दिया है कैनी, एक कैन 20 लीटर का कैन में भर दिया है। भैया जी 20 लीटर का 20 लीटर बहुत। और ये आदमी अपने दिमाग में बिल्कुल भी नहीं है अभी, दिमाग से तो बिल्कुल भी काम नहीं कर रहा है।
10 लीटर का यहाँ पैसा दे दो तुम दो।
कौन दोनों? हम क्या 10 लीटर, हम लोग एक कैन लेके आए ना।
Then we crossed Kelong, a place filled with my childhood memories, a place where I always feel a sense of belonging. The road you are seeing in the video holds so many memories from my childhood. I truly love this place. Back in childhood, I never even imagined that one day we'd be the ones riding on those same roads where we used to play and watch others pass by on their bikes. The distance from Kelong to Jispa was around 35 kilometers, but the roads and the views were so beautiful that we didn't even realize when Kelong was left 35 kilometers behind. And finally, after about 5 hours of travel, we reached Jispa. Jispa looked incredibly beautiful. I remember coming here as a child, but those memories started to fade when I saw its new beauty. Everything had changed so much.
हम पहुंच गए हैं जिस्पा, अभी रुके हैं हम। मज़ा आया? कैसा लगा? तो कुछ इस तरह का रूम का अरेंजमेंट हुआ है। और रूम का अरेंजमेंट किसने किया है? हमारे दुर्जे कंपनी। रूम को जिंदा कौन है? रूम को जिंदा कौन है? याद नहीं इसको, ऐसा है आदमी। तो ये मेरा बेड है, ये इनका बेड है। यहाँ पर 2 लोग बैठेंगे।
Thanks to Dorji's contacts, our stay, foods, and everything else were already arranged. In the evening, we explored Jispa, an unforgettable evening walk with friends. Everyone was happy, even though it was quite cold. That night, we slept with a mix of peace and excitement, because the journey ahead was going to be even more adventurous. Our next destination was Padum. In my next video, I'll take you along on a road trip more thrilling than anything we had imagined. Because this was just a beginning. This is the episode 1 of the road trip that was once just a dream. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay happy, and never stop dreaming.